Hello friends! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about side mount vertical operated level switch. Here is the working of side mount vertical operated level switch internal, side mount, reliable switching device. The unique construction of the device combines the advantages of both vertical sensing and horizontal mounting features of a float switch. The compact design allows the user to configure the switch action as per application. Here we can clearly see that float is moving reverse and backward according to the position from its actual position. Switching action can be reversed by removing the float, inverting and refitting it on the stem. Standard mounting is M10 and can be customized as per application. Versions can be directly interfaced with contactor loads. Here is the diagram of the side mount vertical operated level switch. Technical specification. Stem, stainless steel 304 or stainless steel 316. Stem size, standard X equals 70 mm and Y equals 70 mm, customizable. Float, stainless steel 316L and nylon or polypropylene. Float size, 28 mm into 28 mm, customizable, and 22 mm into 28 mm, customizable. Temperature range, -40 degrees Celsius to 135 degrees Celsius and -40 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. Maximum operating pressure, up to 4 bar and atmospheric. Specific gravity of float, 0.85 gram/cm³ and 0.70 gram/cm³. Process connection, M10 inverted male plug, * custom size, 1/4 BSP or M16 or TC fitting. Switching type, SPST/SPDT. Switching voltage, up to 230 voltage AC/6 voltage to 32 voltage DC. Cable termination, 1 MTR long 2-core Teflon cable with protection sleeve. Fitting gasket, 2 quantity of Teflon gasket or silicone gasket.